And another thing, vaginal epithelium, how it is built up, structure, vaginal epithelium, non-keratinized, stratified. So, and is any gland there in the vaginal wall? There is no gland. So, it is if there is gland, there is brief possibility of the organism invasion. And you go to the cervix, cervical secretion, that is it causes mucosal plaque and also prevent any ascending infection. And uterine cavity, there is monthly there is shedding of the endometrium. It is if an organism in the endometrial cavity, it is also shed out. And then you go to the fallopian tube. Okay, fallopian tube. If you go to the fallopian tube, what is the structure of the fallopian tube? There is so nice structures, so many functions of the fallopian tube, and nice structure also. You see ciliated epithelium there is, and there is movement. So and also peristaltic movement. So there is always they send anything foreign body, foreign things, microorganism or any other thing. They always push towards the uterine cavity. So you can understand what a nice our body structure. So we should protect our always our reproductive organs should be protected by prevention to prevent our organism infection or any other things by knowing the pathophysiology of all the diseases. So that we can, if you know the pathophysiology of the diseases, you can prevent it mostly. Okay, now go to the what I was telling the vagina. Vagina যদি ইনফেকশন হয় তাহলে ওটার নাম কি? Vaginitis. This is also common. Most organisms are chlamydia and fungus. What is the name? Can you say anyone know the name of the fungus? And very good. Candida albicans and Candida vaginalis, that one. And another thing, protozoa, Trichomonas. Trichomonas vaginalis, very good. And like this. Then you go to the cervix. What is the infection? What is the name of the infection? That is cervicitis. Cervicitis. So cervicitis is it a most common problem? Cervicitis. Why it is so most common? There is some gland here. When there is a gland, there pathology is more. There is a microorganism go inside, it cannot come out. It causes more pathology in the inside of the glands. So cervicitis is more common. There is different big chapter. Organism like this. Okay. Then you go to the endometrium. What would be there? Endometrium cavity. And if infection, what is the name of the cavity? Endometritis. It is what is the name? Endometritis. Okay. This is endometrium, myometrium, perimetrium. So endometritis, if myometritis, then endometritis. Sometimes all together, all structure involved. Endomyometritis, perimetritis, like this. If it is hair infection, it is also go down to the pouch of Douglas and pelvic peritoneum. Then if peritoneum is infected, what is the name? Peritonitis. Okay, so and if we go to the now neoplasia, in our organs, what is the common organ of neoplasia? Ovary. That is ovary infection called ophoritis, fallopian tube infection called salpingitis. So these are common. And ophoritis, neoplasia, ovary neoplasia. As you first on, you said the ovarian cyst is most common. So it is one of the neoplasia. Neoplasia we divide how? Benign? Benign and malignant. So benign common or malignant common? Benign. আল্লাহ তাআলা আমাদেরকে এত খারাপ ডিজিজ দিতে চায় না কখনো। সো সবসময় মনে রাখবা যে মোস্টলি ফাংশনাল প্রবলেম body wants to defend any organ, any disease, any problem. Suppose the ovarian cyst, that is physiological and pathological. Physiological is associated with some condition. Sometimes it is a prolonged proliferative phase and prolonged the abnormal balance in the between estrogen progesterone, different causes. There was the PCOS, that is, what is PCOS? That is multiple cyst, follicular cyst, there is no ovulation. So, no corpus luteum, no progesterone. So, prolonged period of amenorrhea. You see the subfertility. 2 মাস 3 মাস 4 মাস মাসিক বন্ধ থাকে হয়, there is no ovulation, and there is formation of the cyst, and this cyst what they form from the cyst, from ovarian cyst, what hormones created? Estrogen. Very good, estrogen. So, estrogen what causes? Estrogen changes the endometrium. What changes? You know the menstrual cycle, proliferative change. Proliferative change. In the proliferative change, endometrium become thicken. Ultimately, as there is no ovulation, no corpus luteum, no progesterone. So, ultimately, at a certain time, there is no vascular supply, so much long thickened endometrium. If there is no vascular supply, then what would be happened? Ischemia. There is lack of circulation called ischemia. After ischemia, what would be? Necrosis. You know the term pathology, from pathology. Necrosis. What is necrosis? Death of the cell, totally. From where there is no reverse. Necrosis, and then after necrosis, what would be? It will be slough out. So, the prolonged period of menstruation, sometimes 10 to 15 days, or menorrhagia like this. So, why it is? Due to anovulation. As progesterone, so there is problem. So, in this way, hormonal imbalance affect our body. And from neoplasia, another is dermoid cyst. You should heard the name, the birth. That is dermoid cyst. Dermoid cyst from where? Germ cell. You know the germ cell? What is our germ cell? Ovum. Ovum is your germ cell. So, totipotential, you know the totipotential, the term? What is this? Any line, any germ line, they can go. From this totipotential, from this cell, it can goes to the structure of the epithelium, then collagen, that is columnar connective tissue or cartilage, then endometrium, what is the endodermal, that is ectodermal, mesodermal and endodermal, any line they can go. So, germ cell is such a cell, and if germ cell tumor, there is from germ cell, that is teratoma. And dysgerminoma, you heard the name, the yolk cell tumor like this. So, teratoma, that is, and here dermoid cyst is so common. So, dermoid cyst, if there is ectodermal growth and development, what would be the ectodermal structure of our body? Skin, very good. Skin, hair, teeth, they will all the structure developed in the dermoid cyst. So, if you cut, you see the hair follicle, teeth like structure, cartilage. From mesodermal, that is, what is the structure from mesoderm? Cartilage, very good. Cartilage, blood vessel like this, and endodermal? Gut epithelium. So, all structure will be found in this dermoid cyst. So many story about this, that is dermoid cyst. It is, if nobody knows, they should be asked how hair follicles grow, how the teeth grows. Okay. So, we should know the actually pathophysiology, what you are studying now, the pathology. Pathology is your main subject, and if you know the actual pathology of any disease, you should get interested and you can manage the properly. No need of so many investigation. Why we depends on the investigation? If we know correctly the anatomy, if we know correctly the physiology, if we know correctly the pathology and pathophysiology, we should treat properly. We should never depend on the investigation. Okay. Okay. Now, then up to this any question? Anything? You want to know anything more? Okay, so in the last slide, I don't know what it. Can I open again or what? I don't know. Okay. Huh? So we want to bring stronger future generation. Huh? Okay, another up to this, and at this moment I want to finish here, and then I want to go another things. We have 10-15 minutes. Huh? About the gynae books. You do not know, na, about the textbooks, name of the textbooks? Here Datta is easily written, gynae, that is Datta. You should buy these books. Never depend on the notebooks, okay? So Datta gynecology and obstetrics, that is mostly they are followed students. We follow some Williams obstetrics and gynecology, fundamental obstetrics, and also you should know there is RCOG. You heard the name RCOG, Royal College of Obstetrics and Gynae. That is mainly British. They make the guideline. All to follow, all over the world mostly follow. And we have also national guideline. Every country there is some guideline, but international is RCOG guideline. There is some guideline. Okay, then. Okay. Approach, how you approach to the patient? Video to problem আছে. I think there is software there is problem. Okay, no problem. Next day I will bring my laptop. That is better. There is register book, roll call. There is.
রেজিস্টার বুক ম্যাম আজকে তো ফার্স্ট ক্লাস ছিল আমাদের গাইনি রেজিস্টার বুক ম্যাম তোলা হয়
নাই তাহলে এ করে এমনি খাতায় পরে উঠাই দিও নামগুলো লেখো আচ্ছা ওকে ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ